Moving lines. We have now created the opening formation at count 0, which is set number 1. Now we will create the next set by morphing or reshaping the formations as set 2. Initially, 3D has established a hold between set 1 and set 2. As we reshape the formation at set number 2, 3D will automatically create the transitions to set 2 from set number 1. To indicate the count of the next set and the number of counts in the transition from the last set, we will spread the anchors in the count track over these counts. Setting the yellow anchor at count 0 and the red anchor at count 16 will set up the field for editing of the formations at count 16 and create a 16 count transition between count 0 and 16. Click on Page tab number 2. The red anchor will snap to count 16, leaving the yellow anchor at count 0. When advancing the red anchor, the performer's field locations will not appear to change even though we are now looking at count 16. This is because editing has not been done. Performers at count 16 are holding from count 0. In fact, 3D has established a hold to the end of the drill. To create the formation at set number 2, you will be selecting shapes and then using edit tools to reshape them. In this example, our red anchor is at count 16, and therefore the shapes we are editing are at count 16. Since the yellow anchor is at count 0, the transitions will be created between count 0 and 16. From count 0 to count 16, we will have the two lines push or move forward towards the home sideline. In order to push the lines, we first need to select the lines on the field. In this example, we will choose a box selection tool for that purpose. Select the box selection tool from the tool palette. Click above and to the left of the first position of the left line and drag down and to the right until both lines are encompassed within the rectangle you have created. The performers of both lines will be outlined in bold red, indicating that the two lines are selected. Now that we have selected the two lines, we need to choose a tool to manipulate them. Click on the Push tool in the tool palette. A Push tool control panel will appear.